this, you're going to find two T25 Torx Bit screws. There's one located right in the center on the top. The other one's going to be located right behind the oil fill cap. Let's go ahead and remove those. With those bolts out of there, we can carefully lift this up and out of here. We'll just give it a quick inspection. Now with that cover out of the way, we're going to start looking for our throttle position sensor. That's going to be located right on the back side of your throttle body. Overall, to access this, it's fairly easy. You can just reach right along the back side here, disconnect the wiring, and then use a Phillips head to remove the two mounting screws. I'm just going to go ahead and get this out of the way so I have a little bit more room to access it. All I'm going to do is go ahead and grab onto this cable. We'll slide it right out of its mounting position. Let's make our way up to this clamp. We'll use an 8mm. Just loosen it up a little bit so we can slide this off and out of the way. Now we can grab onto this. We'll give it a little tug. For the mass airflow sensor, I'm going to squeeze on the tab where my thumb is. We'll go ahead and pull this. Give it a quick inspection. Moving along the air inlet hose, you're going to find this. Go ahead and pull that out of there. Now we can continue on by removing the top of the box here. You're going to find two clips along the driver's side of this. Now we can lift this up and out of the way. Now we can go ahead and start disconnecting the wiring. For that, there's a little squeeze tab. You can grab onto it with your index finger, give it a little squeeze, and then carefully pull this off. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, you need to give it a quick peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. This one looks fine, so I'll carefully set it aside. If you have trouble accessing the two Phillips head screws from the backside, you can go ahead and carefully remove the throttle body from the intake. You're going to find four 8mm headed bolts. Go ahead and remove all of them, and then we can carefully tilt this so we can gain access. Now at this point you want to be very careful because there is still cables connected and you don't want to damage anything. Now we can start removing our two Phillips heads. Now you can remove the sensor from the throttle body. There it is, friends. To continue with the installation, let's go ahead and make sure we clean up this area. Give it a quick inspection. Now it's time to install our brand new throttle position sensor. Start in your mounting bolts. Let's go ahead and tighten them. Double check the sensor to make sure it's completely secured up against the throttle body. Assuming you remove the throttle body from the intake, go ahead and start in all of your mounting bolts. After you start them in, bottom them out, and then torque each of them to 80 inch-pounds. Let's reconnect in the throttle position sensor. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. Now we can start putting on the air inlet system here. Pay attention to the top air filter box. It has a couple nubs that fit into the bottom air filter box. Let's put that in at an angle. Now we can go ahead and put this down. Be very careful for any wiring that you might have in this area. Let's resecure the box. Got a couple little clips down here. Listen for a click. You want to give this a tug. Let's move along to this vacuum hose. Slide that in as far as it can go. Make sure it's secure. Let's make our way up to the throttle body. We'll reconnect this in as well. Tighten your clamp. Let's put our cable back in position. Let's put our protective cover back on here. Now for this, you want to make sure that you have one ear lined up with the corresponding hole directly behind where the oil fill is. And then you have the center hole that needs to line up with the adapter on top of the idle air control valve. Slide this into position. We can start in our two mounting bolts. Once they're both started, go ahead and snug them up.